later on when you're walking.
Yeah.
It might kill your feet.
Like wet socks.
Yeah,
And shit.
wet socks and wet feet will kill you quite a bit.
Yeah, we don't have a towel. We'd have to use the.
If we came back and be with like
Airbnb
sandals, then yeah.
Yeah. Like Pendu sandals?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Even has.
Where'd that dog go? Good dog.
Like the ones that you wear with socks.
Alright, we're about to jump.
Oh, let's watch. I think they're running. Oh, shit. That kid better watch out. I don't think that kid's gonna jump.
You good?
I feel baptized. My mom's stuff. Yeah?
Wait, maybe he will.
Come on, we gotta do it. You like it? Yes. No, I can drag you. I can be your closest.
That's the football jersey that she made one for Canada. Pretty nice design.
Like, you know, inside the houses? Like, inside the house. Some mansions is like wide open space and there's like rooms. This one's like.
I'll take some pics too.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. I like how this water's so green. It's like emerald.
Yeah.
But we can continue. I'll
Yeah,
come
yeah,
back
I'm-
later.
You go.
这湖北白绿土的。
There's a lot up this way.
Okay, stairs. Alright, let's go.
Oh, someone's underpants. Wow. That's cool. Huh.
Oh, shit. Go for it so I don't get your coons in the shot.
Oh, there's more stairs. Where are we going?
Well,
Around here, nothing.
through the trailers.
Oh, more stairs. This is the right way?
Check the map. Check the map.
I think this is where we're at, but it got scrapped out.
Yeah, that's what. Yeah. So it could go that way and go up.
This
Either way.
is that.
Yeah.
If we keep going straight, it's that, which will take us to the bridge. I don't think there's anything here, so if you guys want to take the steps, we can, and then come back down, or we just go straight and go to the bridge that way. We're gonna have to be coming back this
Either
way
way,
anyway.
yeah. So I think we should go to the bridge,
Okay, straight in bridge.
and then we could choose our way down.
Alright.
Like a tree growing off a tree.
Oh wow, yeah.
Off a dead tree.
No, that looked pretty human.
Oh, dog. What's going on, little dog? What's going on?
He said, nope. Where's he going?
Wait, I don't put my phone in the locker? No, you keep it in.
Yeah. They don't got too much girth like our trees back home. Real girthy.
So Tyler, how's your sex life?
I'm having sex with.
That is not true.
Yeah.
Okay, needs to get some.
Good thing he's got the master bathroom.
Yeah.
He can do whatever he wants in
And
it.
he can wank off in that room.
Jesus.
And then take his business to the shower when he's done.
Pretty much. Where are we going? Straight?
Suspension bridge. Oh, wait a minute. It says
We
it's
already
that way.
went through we already did that.
Alright, yeah, we do.
So, alright, so wait, hold on. Let's see. We're here.
It says we gotta make a left. There's another
Pipeline bridge? Okay.
Oh,
Wait,
yeah.
are you sure left? Left is that way.
Yeah, that's what he says.
Wait, that's the bridge right there. I don't know if that's the pipeline, is it?
Looks like it.
Is it? Yeah.
I think so, yeah.
Yeah.
There's one suspension and then like
Do we not want to
What?
cross the back?
Cross that way.
the more scenic is better.
Alright,
Let's see what
let's
this
go
is,
that way
though.
then.
It would make sense if we did the pipeline.
Alright, so yeah, it is pipeline. Is it pipeline? Wanna go that way? Yeah. Alright, let's go. Alright. Going left. So we'd be going.
At this point, we're just going to be taking the Varley Trail.
Yeah, either way, we have to just take it back.
So you go right and then you go down the stairs? We'll go down the stairs, right?
Yeah, we could do that. Right, and then
So we
down
want to
this
go to the
way.
Twin Falls Bridge now?
We could, and then
So
yeah,
we're gonna.
we could cut there and then cross over, and then we're back the way we started. Unless you guys want to see the suspension bridge again,
No, I just want to see new stuff. So I mean, where we could see some good new views.
we could do that. Like come all the way down, and then loop around here, and then that's it.
Yeah.
Because I don't see anything else that's like worth seeing other than that. The
Right.
Twin Falls. Okay. Either way, we could go back down. We could go back through the pool and all that. Or if you guys want to do the new one, then yeah, we could take this path down too.
Oh yeah, and go straight.
Yeah, let's do that. Okay.
So basically go straight.
Either way.
Or
yeah.
go. Well, that's where we came from,
Yeah.
right?
We have to go back this way.
No, don't we go right?
No. This time we go. We came from here.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
But the
what
bridge
we
is
learned
there.
that
If the bridge is there, then we go that way, right?
Oh.
yeah, we want to go right. So we want to go
Either
right.
trail, I think.
We want to go right and then all the way down.
You're right.
I don't know what the difference is between these, but we could go down the
I think they probably. I'm guessing they meet. I'm guessing they meet.
Give it a shot. We'll see.
Actually, this might have been a creek. A little river.
Yeah. Maybe we are going the wrong way. We'll see.
Secret now.
It's connected to that trail. I could check the map too.
I think it's right.
Yeah, we're on the right path. What's up there? What? What's up there? There's just another path to get here.
I don't want to take my shirt off. It's really hot.
Go for it. It's pretty hot.
Oh. Oh, man. That feels so good.
Do it. No. Because then I know that he would enjoy it. His revenge would be even worse.
My revenge on what?
I feel like I get bullied into his answer.
Bullied into what?
I mean, I didn't expect him to tackle you like that. Because the plan was he was just gonna like hug you and.
I didn't. Whoa, I didn't say that. I said I literally kept saying tackle.
As you guys were walking out, I heard him say, "All right, here we go, boys."
Yeah, he's too loud. He didn't think he could do it.
Yeah, at that point, I knew something was gonna happen.
Oh, some mushrooms on this.
Oh, mushrooms.
Look at this one, Ruben. Oh yeah, that one's nice.
Whoa,
You can eat them
mushrooms.
too. Did you know that? The white ones?
Wait, can you? I thought they were poisonous.
Yeah, they are.
I was like, this guy's trolling.
Just like I said, you could drink the water.
All right.
Yeah, see, there you go. Take it off.
Ooh.
Told you it'd be hot. Good thing I worked. Good thing I switched to shorts. I'll say that. I would have been steaming.
I regret it. Where's the Italian Walmart?
No, he gets.
Those,
He's the opposite. He gets.
he has
cold
anemia.
easy. Yeah, he's anemia.
Yeah. Something like that. I'm better in African weather heat.
Reese, what's your S number? Alright, let's see where we're
I
going now.
appreciate these maps.
It's 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, no.
Oh, jeez.
Let me write that down.
So straight. This is straight. Because this goes back to the bridge.
Yeah, alright.
I like how they plastered a map right there.
Yeah, the bridge is the best part.
Yeah, that was the best part.
Well, we'll go back to it and we'll take it.
I just want to see if there's anything else. There's just a lot of forestry. I mean, it's a nice swamp, but yeah, the bridge and the waterfall and the waters,
Yeah, it's pretty low key.
that's the highlight. Oh, you want to see how...
I thought it was going to topple over. Yeah.
Ooh, that's a little cool tree formation thing.
It's like a little squid tree formation.
Yeah, it looks like something you can manipulate into a wood monster.
No, we we went in April. We got really lucky with the weather.
Oh, that hurt.
Did it rain?
Yeah.
Because it could have easily been like 100. And then
Where?
we're like, when we went to Arizona, it was like 70.
Oh yeah, yeah.
What was that movie?
Kind of reminds me like Bear Grylls, like where he was like do his like
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah,
And
yeah.
there's like a road right there.
Yeah, he's like, these harrowing cliffs are the most dangerous you'll ever find in the world. And then
like
he like hops like 2 feet,
yeah,
and then
a
like,
volcano or something like that. Or
Yeah.
some,
and then some other guy goes
Yeah.
and does a panoramic view. The freeway is like
Yeah.
right next to it.
mhm.
Yeah,
That was pretty nice.
yeah.